Hmm.
Some English.
So my name is Sridhar Reddy. I'm from Basavakalan, Bidar district, Karnataka. My phone. So I'm a solution architect by profession, working for an MNC in Hyderabad. So I have seen different parts of the world, and I wanted to really do good farming. I have seen all the good farming in North America and Europe. So I wanted to do something really useful. So in this lockdown season, I have spent a lot of time in this uh, papaya production. So this is 4 acres of fertile land with lot of water that we have. 4 acres of fertile land, and we have planted 300 samplings of papaya, Taiwan red lady variety. So we have planted in December, that is on 11th December 2019, and now it is 8 months old plantation. And you can see here, can you move that? You can see here the fruit settings and the fruit size. We have already harvested more than 40 metric tons of production out of this farm, and we are expecting more than at least 250 metric tons till the end of this production life, right? So the main reason for this kind of super productivity that I would say here is there are two parts of this. One is the organic cattle manure that we are using, more than 70 tractors of cattle manure that we have used till now for this farm. In addition to that, all the antibacterial, antifungal, pesticide, insecticide that we wanted to use here, we chose only the organic stuff that is from YK Labs, right? So there is a kit from YK Labs specially for papaya called amino, which is a growth hormone. This is a super growth hormone. You can see the plant immunomodulator. This helps in building a lot of immunity to the plant that will bring the resistance to the virus, right? So technically speaking, and this is Enviro, which is antivirus, right? So this is antiviral. You can see the botanical antiviral. This is purely organic and plant extract. That is why it is botanical. And this is Cyto. This is for insects and pests and thrips and mites and all these things. This is antibacterial, antifungal, and insecticide and pesticide. So if you just smell this, it gives a lot of smell of garlic, which is very widely used in Indian natural farming technologies as an integrant of pesticide. So apart from that, we have a master. I would say this is one of the main reason for this much super productivity is Rootex. I know a lot of people don't like this. Whoever I talk to YK Labs, but I recommend this very with very great confidence. This is organic carbon and humic acid. So this is a very fertile land, right? So in order to bring more humus content in this and the carbon in this soil, we need to use we were not having a lot of carbon in this soil, right? So we used outside carbon, which is this one, humic acid. This will help to absorb a lot of nutrients from the soil. This will really help to, plants to absorb the nutrients in a very short time. If you don't use Rootex, it might take 1 week to absorb. If you use Rootex, it will take less than 2 days to absorb the nutrients. If you mix this nutrient with some of the chemicals that you use, like NPK, 30-0-40, then 00-50, and then 52-34, and all these things, if you mix that, then the absorption level is very high. So the amount of time it takes, the amount of time that plant takes to absorb that is very less. So that's where the development of plant will happen. So we have used Rootex right from the beginning, from the 3rd month, right? So I got to know about YK Labs from 3rd month. So I have used this from 3rd month. So I took 2 liters of Rootex and mixed with 200 liters of water in a barrel, and then I drench 1 liter of that solution to each plant, then I have done this 3 times in a month, right? So that helps to set the roots and then further fabrication. So ever since then I'm using this on weekly basis, right? So sometimes from third month to fifth month we use twice a week, and from fifth month we are using weekly, right? So this combination of cattle manure and then Jivamrutam that we are using, along with this, has really helped, to build this kind of canopy. Actually, we had a lot of canopy right from the bottom, and we are facing a lot of difficulty to bring the harvested material out. That is where we kind of chop the old leaves that are coming in the middle, but further we don't do, because leaves generally helps a lot in photosynthesis. That will help in building the fruit size, right? So whatever the things that we have used from YK Labs, be it a Umino, Enviro, Cyto and Rutex, apart from that there is something like Max Crop, which is a Formula 6 liquid micronutrient that is very, very essential. It has a mix of all the primary and secondary micronutrients like zinc, boron, ferrous, magnesium, and all the different micronutrients. So I recommend this product for anyone who want to start papaya farming from the beginning, or anyone who is already doing papaya farming and not getting better yield. They can try this. I'm 200% sure that they will get the result. In addition to this, you need to use a lot of Jivamrutam and then cattle manure, so that it will add a lot of value in terms of fertigation, right? And try to limit the chemical use. The less you use chemical, it will really help you. Don't use any chemical in insecticide, pesticide, fungicide or antiviral thing, because that will really kill your plant, right? So whenever you see there are bits and pieces of virus here and there, don't worry. Go ahead and spray the material using this kit, and you will see the result in 2 days. So this is something that we have got as of now, and we are expecting, as we have already harvested around 40 metric tons of papaya. There are a lot of fruits in this, right? So more than 50 fruits per plant. If you take an average size of 2 kgs, we have got the maximum size as 5.5 kg. Our record is 5.5 kg. If you look at this, we have already chopped somewhere around 5 fruits from here, which itself is 15 kgs. So average, if I take 100 kg per plant, 300 metric tons of productivity out of this plant is guaranteed. And we are selling this now for the 40 tons that I have sold is at the rate of 12 rupees per kg. If that goes till the end also, more than 30 lakhs of gross revenue I can easily make here. And I am so much happy with this super productivity. I want to do this type of farming next year by expanding the scale from 4 acres to 10 acres.
Okay, thank you.